Hello everybody, today we're going to be making some really simple and super quick and easy origami art projects. So for this first one, you're going to be creating a really cute little frog. So for that, you can go ahead and follow the instructions of this video super carefully. We're using green color paper, but you can use whatever color you like. With that, you can just go ahead and fold it in exactly as shown and look at how cute this will turn out to be. Then you can go ahead and add in some beady eyes and add in some color for the feet, and look at how cute this will turn out to be. This frog is even interactive as it moves and jumps exactly like a real frog. Now for this next one, we're going to be creating a really cute dress, especially for fashionistas. This is a super easy and simple game to play out of simple leaves. Look at how cute that turned out to be. Now let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, you're going to be creating a really cute project out of straight solo cups, and then you can go ahead and add in some googly eyes and create whatever animal you like. How cute is that? Now let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, we're using chart paper. You're going to be using black paper and then cutting it up into a rectangle. Then you can go ahead and fold it exactly as shown, add in a tongue and add in some embellishments, and look at how cute this will turn out to be. Perfect for Halloween parties, and look at how interesting and interactive that is. Go ahead and give it a pair of eyes and look at how beautiful that is. Now, we're going to be making this next one out of an origami piece of paper, so we're going to be starting with a square sheet of paper, fold it in exactly as shown in this video, and then continue following the instructions super carefully. If this is confusing, please make sure to slow down the video or pause the video intermittently to make sure that you're following the instructions carefully and correctly. Then you can go ahead and create those soft edges that we're creating in this, and you can go ahead and refirm the edges. Take a pair of scissors and cut it in the places that you folded. Make sure not to cut the wrong parts. Please make sure to cut off only the places that we're cutting in this video. Then you can go ahead and twist it inwards, and then you'll have your very own adorable little three-dimensional bow, and look at how cute this will turn out to be. Tuck it into the middle center, and you can cut it up and clean it out as you please. Now let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, we're also going to be creating a really simple solo cup animal as we did in the first one, and there you have your very own green colored frog solo cup. Now let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, you're going to go ahead and create this really beautiful and simple ladybug. So for that, you're going to need a roll as a base, so make sure to roll your sheet of paper, create the ladybug's wings, give her a pair of eyes, and go ahead and watermelon seed the wings of the ladybug, and look at how cute that is. Now let's move on to the next one. So for this next one, you're just going to go ahead and create this really simple pink colored box. With that, you can just go ahead and create this hollowing that you can use to keep things inside. Go ahead and tuck it in, and look at how cute this will turn out to be. Now use a bigger square of paper and fold it exactly as shown. Continue folding it. If necessary, you can go ahead and pause the video, and as a reminder, you can always slow down the video in the settings given below. Then you can just go ahead and create this hollowness. You can go ahead and insert the previous part that you've created, and look at how beautiful that shoe turned out to be. Thank you so much for watching today's video.